Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now, isolate the chiller and lock out power, then verify 0 volts at the compressor terminals so you can work safely. Once done, connect a recovery pump to the oil drain port and position a rated container for used oil. Use a 510L container if needed. You should record the starting oil type, viscosity, and level before you open the drain. This preserves diagnostics and ensures you will refill to the correct amount later on. Open the drain slowly and let oil flow while you watch for metal flakes or dark sludge. Those are signs of wear and require escalation. Once drained, remove the magnetic plug and inlet/outlet screens for cleaning. Use lint-free rags and a non-reactive solvent. Inspect the oil site glass and seals and measure the drained volume with a calibrated container. If the measured volume differs significantly from the spec, make sure to log the discrepancy, replace filters, seals, and magnetic plugs, then refill with the exact oil type and quantity per nameplate. Pour slowly to avoid aeration. Start the compressor briefly and monitor oil pressure, oil temperature, and the site glass to confirm circulation. Once stable, run to normal operating conditions, check for leaks, and retorque fittings if needed. If you encounter low oil pressure or unusual noises, stop immediately, recheck oil level and filter seating, and inspect shaft seals. That single check catches most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.